Hello everybody, it's your boy Chill Will, and today I have a Tokyo Stop lunchbox here. Here's what it looks like. And it comes with some California rolls, an egg roll, and some orange chicken, as you can see. And without further ado, let's try this. I remember really liking it last time. It kind of tasted very crunchy and had that very good orange chicken flavor. A very unique flavor in my opinion. A certain flavor. That's good. California rolls are so delicious. Didn't realize how good this place was.
Really good.
Yeah. And here is some sweet and sour sauce. And my egg roll. Not really the egg roll per myself. Definitely more of a spring roll, but fried a little bit. Very good. I think it's best when you eat it by yourself, or eat it by itself. It's a really good place to eat by yourself because it's so big. You don't want to come with like a bunch of people. There's so much food over there. That was good. Overall, I'd have to give this whole concoction a 9.7 out of 10, maybe a 9.8, maybe a perfect 10. That was my review.